it's Kadada and welcome back to another vlog, y'all. Happy Sunday. It is March 1st. I love a good first day of the month. And it's a beautiful day out. And I decided to start a Sunday reset vlog. Now it's currently like 12, so kind of running a little bit behind. But I did get up this morning and journaled a little bit, and then I only read a couple of pages. Then, honey, I put that book down because I needed to work out. So I ended up getting on the walking pad for like 40 minutes. And then I got in the shower and got dressed and whatnot, and now we're here. So I'm not gonna start cleaning yet. I'm actually gonna make the kids a lunch. I'm gonna make them something simple, some hamburger helper, and I think I got some more garlic bread left over. So that's what I'm gonna make them for lunch. And then I think I'm gonna go on ahead and meal prep. Yeah, I'm gonna go on ahead and meal prep and get that out the way as well. And then I'm gonna start cleaning. I'm so used to cleaning in the morning, so it kind of feels weird to like start cleaning like around the afternoon, mid-afternoon. But this house needs some attention, so it's gonna get done. But yeah, I'm just switching some things around first. So first I'm gonna cook and meal prep, and then I'm gonna start cleaning. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much what's on the agenda for today, and we'll just see what else today brings us. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna get into this video, and I'm gonna start making lunch. So let's get to it. Okay, I just got done cleaning, like literally not too long ago. And I was in the kitchen. Well, I'm in the kitchen because I'm finna meal prep, but while I'm cooking the food, I think I'm finna bake as well. I'm just in the mood to bake. I haven't baked in quite some time, so I'm definitely in the mood to bake. So yeah, while I'm cooking this food to meal prep, I'm finna bake some cookies. So this is what I'm finna bake. I'm gonna make some strawberry cookies with the strawberry cake mix and some Ghirardelli white chocolate chips. I saw this recipe on TikTok, so hopefully it turns out right. Because the TikTok that I watch, you can make cookies the same way you make the cake. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna put the chocolate chips in it. I was debating on getting some cream cheese frosting to like drizzle on top of the cookie, but I feel like the white chocolate chips was enough. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna bake. Hopefully these turn out right. I'll just show y'all what the cookies look like when they're done. Okay, y'all, my hair looking a little crazy. But I almost forgot to show y'all what I was meal prepping. I mean, I done made this, I think this is like my third or fourth time making this. It is so freaking good and so easy and quick and simple to make. It's the cilantro lime chicken. I already done threw the box away, but it's the Kevin's cilantro lime chicken. And I'm pairing it up with the cilantro lime rice. And I just cut my green beans. I'm gonna mix some sauteed garlic butter green beans. And I got the water going for the rice. I'm gonna throw the rice in because the chicken is already done. So I'm gonna put the chimichurri sauce over the chicken and let that marinate. And then I decided to put the cookie batter, the strawberry cake cookie batter, whatever you want to call it. I decided to put that in the fridge so it can chill, because if I'm not mistaken, that's what the TikTok video showed me, was that they chill the cake batter mix. I mean, I don't think you have to chill it, but I decided to chill mine because the batter was like, it wasn't like thick, you know. You can't put it in your hand and roll it up into a ball. Like it wasn't that, the batter wasn't that kind of consistency. It was more like watery. I mean, it wasn't stiff. It wasn't like thick. So you could just scoop it up, roll it into, into a circle. So I decided to put it in the fridge so it can chill. So that way I have a better chance of being able to scoop it up and, you know, roll it into a circle, roll into a ball. So that's what I decided to do. I'm gonna check on that probably like, actually when I'm done meal prepping, that's when I'll check on the batter.
Feeling in your soul, are you ready? I know your heart been telling you belong to me. I know it's alright. I'm not dangerous. In your mind, I'll be generous. I'll be replaceable, collectible, just like
We hit the club and his cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the T.I. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the div. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Burn the blood, she's not throwing shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Back it's away. She wasn't on a run, and she wanted on the run up. You see the dark skin girls with the light skin crews. Probably to you. She the light skin girl with the light skin crew. Can't know what to do. I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Burn the blood, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Back this away.
Okay, y'all, I just got my meal prepping done and out the way. Now I'm gonna check on this cookie batter. Hopefully it's stiffened up a little bit. Hopefully. I'm gonna prep my baking sheet. I really hope these turn out right. And I'm kind of like multitasking. I already got 2 kids in and out of the bath already. Now I got one more kiddo to put in the bath, and I still gotta do their hair, and it's like 3:30. So, but I think I'm doing so far so good. So far so good. All right, y'all. Let's check on this batter. Yes, I ended up putting it in the fridge. I ended up putting it in the freezer. But it looked like it's kind of thick, but we just finna see. I'm just finna start trying to shape it into like a cookie-like shape. And I'm gonna put more like white chocolate chips on top once I'm done putting it on the baking sheet. So let's try this, y'all. Okay, y'all, do not make fun of how my cookies look. And putting it in the fridge, that did not work. It did not work. I thought it was gonna like thicken up the batter, but it didn't. I'm still gonna put a little bit of the white chocolate chips on top. Okay, I'm gonna put these bad boys in the oven and I'll just show y'all what they look like after. Y'all better not laugh at me. These what they look like, y'all. I mean, they still turned out good. It's just they're all touching each other. So I think I put a little bit too much batter onto the baking sheet. But I mean, they still turned out good to me. Yeah, they just touching each other. That's it. And I still got more batter. I still got more batter left over. Let me go ahead and cut it. Let me go ahead and cut these cookies. I don't know, we're finna try it, y'all. Okay. Still good. Yeah, it's still good. It just has like the texture of cake, like not like that cookie type of texture, but it's still good. So it's like 4:40 and I still gotta do the hair. So I'm gonna let them try these cookies. Yeah, I gotta tend to them. I gotta get them situated for school tomorrow. Most likely I'll see you guys when I'm done getting these kids situated for school tomorrow. Okay, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. The sun is the sun is kind of beaming through the window, so excuse that. But it is the next day, you guys. It is Monday, March 2nd. And when I tell y'all I was tied up with the kids until like 9, whoo, honey, doing 3 heads in one day is damn near impossible in my house. For real. It's like I'm able to get 2 heads done and then I'm only able to get half of the last head done. OMG, doing 3 heads is handful. It definitely is. But yeah, I stayed up. I didn't stay up all night, but I did stay up doing the kids' hair until like 9 or so. When I was done, I was tired, y'all. I was tired. I had to get ready and get myself situated for work tomorrow as well. So that's why I didn't come back onto the camera, y'all. I was busy. Sundays they're not my relaxing days. I would like for it to be my relaxing days, but typically Sundays is when I gotta get these kids, you know, situated for school tomorrow. And then that's typically when I clean my house as well. So it's like, yeah, I be having things to do on Sunday. I be pretty busy, pretty tied up. But yeah, that's why I'm at MIA, you guys. And I'm coming on here to close out the vlog. I just dropped the kids off at school. And now I'm on my way to work. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be starting another vlog today because I don't have much. I was gonna say I don't have much planned. I don't even have nothing planned. I'm thinking right now I don't have nothing planned today besides going to pay this rent. That's really the only thing I have on my agenda today. I gotta go pay rent. Yeah, that's it, y'all. Yesterday I made the Walmart grocery delivery order. I didn't show y'all because it was just a little bit of stuff, and it was mainly fruit so I could fill up my fruit basket. But I ordered some flowers, and one thing about them, they always be saying them be out of stock. Well, if it's out of stock, then why is it showing up available on the website? Like, that'd be like irritating me a little bit. But I think I'm gonna go in and get me some flowers as well, actually, because why not? And I feel like it will, make my kitchen more cute. I done, got a new fruit basket. I like how that makes my kitchen look. Then I plan on, like redecorating like the bathroom and the kitchen soon as well. I still got to get like my kitchen towels and gloves and stuff like that. A new shower set for the bathroom upstairs, and yeah, so I still plan on doing some shopping, but I'm gonna take a break. Doing some shopping. And yeah, I don't know if I got anything planned today, y'all, besides, like I said, the rent, and I might get some flowers. Other than that, I don't have nothing planned today, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog. Maybe not. We'll just have to see. But yeah, y'all, with all that being said, I'm gonna close out the vlog here. Overall, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like the vibe over